Namaste. Welcome to Standing Yoga for Senior Practice 3. Today we're going to focus on triangle, Trikonasana. I'm going to give you a few variations. Please practice safely. Have a beginner mind. Be curious. Take it easy. Start gently and move into the next one after you master the first variation. And so on. Second variation, master the second variation, move into the third, and eventually the full version of triangle. Okay, taking time, be patient is very important. And also this triangle pose has many benefits. Strengthening the legs, strengthening the core muscle, opening up the hip. Wonderful thing to do for your shoulder, releasing tension. Stretch out the spine or spinal muscle. And most importantly, I think it's beneficial for fall prevention. So it's a wonderful thing to remember. Standing poses build the strength, stability and balance, and you bring your focus, being very mindful about your yoga practice. Okay, let's begin. Triangle, Trikonasana. I highly recommend you to keep the feet distance a little shorter than our regular variation. So, our left foot 90 degree, right 45 degree. Hips are facing forward. Now, have a chair to build the confidence, have a support, beginner mind, be curious. Do the easier version first. Now, from here, we're leaning forward to the left, keeping the long leg not bending. So, our left hand on the chair, looking forward, steady gaze is a great idea, or looking down. Avoid looking up, it can strain the neck muscle. So stay here for a few breaths. I recommend 3 breaths. 1 inhale, 1 exhale is 1 breath. And then if possible, our right arm extend to the right, maybe bending at the elbow, landed on your lower back. Or if possible, keep this belly button in and up, extend this right arm to the sky. And then slowly inhale, coming up. And it's a good idea, shake the arm, legs, before we go into the other variation. Now here, we going to turn the chair. So we go into the lower part of the chair. Now here, arm to the T position. Hinging from the hips, long leg, knees not bent, but not locked either. Here, we land on the left hand and on the chair, put your weight, right arm here, on your lower back, or after a few breaths, extend this right arm up to the sky. Steady gaze. Triangle, Trikonasana. Take a deep breath in, exhale, abdomen in. Imagine somebody pulling your right arm, slowly come up. Let's lift the shoulders up, roll back and down, couple of rounds. Toes here, toes here, toes here. Extend the arm, extend the leg. Side body, and then slowly release. Now we move into the other side. Now our right foot 90 degrees, left 45 degrees, hip bar facing forward. From here, leaning forward. Right hand on the top of the chair, steady gaze, belly button in and out. Maybe extend the left arm to the left. Bending at the elbow, landed on your lower back. Breathe in. Head is part of extension from your spine. Keep that elongation of the spine. If possible, maybe extend the left arm up to the sky. Your next inhalation, come. So let's move in forward to do little deeper triangle or Trikonasana. Here we go. So 90 degree right foot, knees are not bent, not locked either. So here we hinging from the right hip, leaning to the right, and let go the right hand. Place the right hand on the chair, put a little weight to the chair. Steady gaze. Now left arm to the left, bending at the elbow, landed on the lower. From here, pressing to the out corner of the left foot, steady gaze. If possible, we extend the left arm to the sky. Long left arm, long right arm. Breathe in here. And then your next inhalation, lifting up to here, to goddess pose, Devi pose. Wonderful counter stretch here. You can move, you can turn to side, graceful arm, relax the shoulders, thighs are working. Leaning to the left, stay here, try to extend the right leg, couple of breaths. Bend the left knee, stay here, try to extend the left leg. Now slowly come up. Hands to the heart. Toes heel. Here we are going to continue with our full variation, triangle. So feet are wider. One of your legs can fit into the distance of your feet. That's a roughly. You can shorten, especially the early stage. That's give you more stability, make your practice safer. Now here the full version. Arm to the shoulder height, arms are away. Right foot going to the right direction, left foot pressing to the left direction, inner thighs are active. Take a deep breath in, exhale, we lean into the right. We can go any further, lower the right arm to the right thigh, extend the left arm to the sky. Looking forward or looking down is a good option to protect the neck muscle. Steady gaze, breathe in. If possible, at some point let go the right arm down. Arms are away from each other. Breathe in here. Your next inhalation, deep breath, abdominal in, come up and relax. Now continue with the other side. So if you're near the wall, you have a back supported. Lean into the wall is a great idea. So here, let's adjust. Left foot to 90 degrees, right foot 45 degrees, right foot going away from the left foot. Arms are doing the same thing. Arms are away from each other. Knees are not bent, not locked either. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, hinging from the left hip. Lean forward. Slowly lower the left hand to the left thigh. Extend the right arm up to the sky. Steady gaze, facing forward. If possible, if you're comfortable, let go the left arm. So arms are away from each other. Breathe in. Your next exhalation, let's lift up. Toes, heel, toes, heel, toes, heel. Triangle. We practice triangle, Trikonasana. We receive all that benefit. Join me again for our next session, Warrior 2 and Warrior 3. Thank you for joining me today for the yoga practice. Explore this triangle pose. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.